the Kivy development and finally got the app that's produced and to be accepted in the App Store of Apple and then ready for customer to download. I got the congratulations letter, and from the link we go to this the case. Okay, then I can download it. The download time is not that long because I worry always that using this kind of non-Apple language, using Kivy, which is basically a high-level language and associated with Python, it is really workable to develop an iOS app, and now it proves to be possible. And open it, and the response is okay. Okay, the response okay. In the Android version, I have also that the play alone. This means that can play against the mobile, but in the iOS version, there was an error, and so I deleted function. But of course, that is only an exercise app. That is just to try whether the Python and Kivy and together with KivyMD, it is really possible, and now it proves to be possible. And initially, I learned Flutter, but I don't like the language because Python, I think it's more suitable to me, and that's why I would stick to this method for later on for this kind of mobile app development. Okay. So everything we're fine, response is okay, so I just want to confirm that KivyMD, and Python are possible to be used for developing mobile app. And again, I don't use any IDE, I use Emacs. I wrote everything in Emacs with the Python language in the Python mode and also in the Kivy mode. Everything worked fine. So although this method is a bit old school, but I think it suits my style. And this is a minimalist way of development, and I will stick on that. Okay, thank you for listening to my success sharing, my story of success, and I'm very happy to share this, and I would continue my learning in Kivy and also my learning in Python. Although I'm quite familiar with the language right now, but I think it's still a long road to learn. Okay, learning and doing. And okay, on the last but not least, that I learned the Kivy from the website Udemy, Codemy. Okay, also I learned from Udemy also and Codemy also, and so they taught me well, and I studied from them, and then I have this a little success, not too much, of course, but anyway, that will be good to share. Okay, thank you for listening, and talk to you some days later.